Hi, I'm Paul, and today we're going to be talking about getting rid of Harlequin cabbage bugs. Today we're in Alemany Farm in San Francisco, California, in a wonderful cabbage patch over here. However, they have a problem. The problem is Harlequin bugs. Harlequin bugs are really a hard bug to get rid of, and it's been a pest for gardeners for years. The way you really identify them is they have an X across the back of their back. They're yellow, black X, so X marks the spot. This is what we're going to go after. So a lot of it is you can do hand picking, and that's probably the best, or using a water spray. Go in every day in your yard while you're watering your cabbage, spray off the bugs off the plants themselves so they can't get juices to be able to survive. The most effective way to do it is to have sacrificial plants. With a sacrificial plant in their spring or in the fall, in between harvests, all you do is have some turnips or something that they really like, for instance your cabbage. Put it in one spot in the garden where you are going to ready to plant your rest of your crop of cabbage. Let them feast on that, and then put straw on top or whatever type of burnable material, and you literally have to burn the animals. Don't put in your compost, you'll get more of them. I'm Paul Holofko.